Hi guys, how are you? Yeah, let's go to in this video. We will discuss how to install, how to download and install Java, and how to run our first Java program. You will see here. Open Chrome. Just type Java Miracle download. Just click enter. After clicking enter, we will see here Java downloads. Direct navigating our downloads page. Just click it. In this page, you can see three operating systems: Linux, macOS, Windows. Our operating system is Windows. Click Windows. After clicking Windows, we can see here 64-bit installer 205 MB. Just click on this link. It will be automatically downloaded. Click it. It will be downloading. Wait a second, guys. Yeah, it's successfully downloaded. After downloaded, we need to now install the Java. Just click on it. It will be redirecting this image. Just click yes. Just click next. Don't change anything. Here it will be path taking as default. Just click next. It will be installing. Just wait. Yeah, it's successfully installed. Just click close button. After af- after successfully installing our Java, then we need to set up a path in environment variables. Just click Windows button. Type environment variables. You can see like this. Edit the environment variables. Just click here. We can see five options like computer name, hardware, advanced system protection, and remote. We can navigate advanced section. In advanced section, we can see last here environment variables. Click on this environment variables. In this variables, we can navigate next this page. In this page, we can see here in system variables, we can see here path. It's highlighting path. See carefully. Then edit. Edit. After edit, click new. Here highlighting here. Here we need to paste the Java bin folder path. Then we go our file explorer. Here go Windows C program files. Then we can see Java folder and JDK24 folder. And then we can see bin folder. Just copy that path. After copy, just paste here. That's easy. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. We successfully set up our path to bin folder. Yeah. Now ready to run our Java first program. Just click Notepad. Here. I'm typing Java first program just as example class. I will explain all the things in further videos. Just see how to run Java first program. Yeah, it's completed first our first program. Then we need to save it. Control S. We can take any folder. Yeah, my folder is you can take any folder. Just you can create one folder in your any Windows C, Windows D, any section. You can create one folder. I created programs folder. Just double click on it. Uh, Change file name. I will give my name is my Java program name is my program. Yeah, click save. Then we go to command prompt. Here, here you show it's navigating C users security, but where is our file? Our file is Windows D programs. Here, our Java file here, but here command prompt navigating C users security. We can change the directory. Click. Where is our first directory? D drive. D colon. It will successfully change the directory D. Then we can change the folder directory. Folder directory, we can change how we can type cd space. What is our folder name? Programs. Then type programs. It will be redirecting programs page. Then we need to run our Java first program. How to run? Just type Java C. What is our file name? Java file name is my program. My program dot Java. File not found. Why? Because here it's a txt file, not Java file. We need to change text file to Java file. Just click function F2. It can rename it dot Java file. Click enter. Click yes. It will be now Java file. We need to now compile it. How to compile? Java C my program dot Java. Click enter. Yeah. Here we can see any errors in our program. If we can see here after compiling. Yeah, it's missing semicolon. It's giving an error. We can navigate in this Notepad page. Just open it. My program not Java. Open with Notepad. What our doing mistake is here semicolon missing. Control S save. Then we need to compile. It's successfully compiled without errors. After compiling, it will be creating one dot class file. Now this dot class file we need to run. How to run this dot class file? Just Java. Here we don't give to file name. Here we give to class name. What is class? I will explain in other videos. Like all the things. What is class? What is object? What is main method? How where execution starts, where execution ends. Threading. I will all the things I will explain further videos. Just how to run first program. You can see here. Here, what is our class name? First, copy. Go to command prompt. Java. Paste. Enter. Yeah, it successfully executed. Hello world. What are printing? Hello world. Yeah, I hope you're understanding well how to install Java and how to run our Java first program. Yeah, just try once. Any doubts? Put it down in comment section. I will explain you. And then in next video, we will discuss Java literals. See you guys. Thank you.